Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a print-on-demand Etsy store. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is to look for a print-on-demand platform that you could connect with Etsy. Now there are a lot of different print-on-demand platform out there. For example, Printify that we will be using in today's video. There's also something called Printful, this which is also a print on demand that you could connect to your Etsy store. Now, I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to use Printify, and I'm also going to show to you how you will be able to connect it to your Etsy store to begin your dropshipping or rather print on demand business with Etsy. So, let's get started. Now, this is Printify over here. I'm going to give you a quick tour. This is their homepage right now. After you log in or after you create your account, you're immediately going to see your product sections over here. As you can see, these are the different products that I have tried to create. And the different products that you could create are over here on the catalog. You have so many options that you could choose from. You have your clothing over here, like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids' clothing. You could also create accessories and home living over here. Under men's clothing, you have your t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeves, tank tops, sportswear, bottoms, swimwear, and shoes. Similarly with the women's clothing over here, with the exception of the skirt and dresses over here, and very similar to the kids' clothing as well. You can see the featured products over here. When you click on featured products, you can see the featured products right now in Printful or Printify. As you can see, the featured products for this month, I think, is this tumbler, then t-shirt, and another t-shirt over here. You can also check out the seasonal picks over here by clicking on seasonal picks, and as you can see, it will have different options every time, although some options are going to appear on similar categories over here. You have your best sellers. As you can see, you have t-shirts again, like hoodies, sweatshirts, and all of these options over here. And you can check out more options over here by simply clicking on the specific type of category that you would like to check out. Now for today's video, I'm thinking of creating a hoodie. Let's say I want to create a hoodie that I would like to sell in Etsy. We're going to simply click on the hoodies over here, and we will be able to see all the different types of hoodie that we could sell. Now these hoodies are from different companies, as you can see here, different print providers. As you can see, you can simply look through one of these or look through the different options because the size of their design varies. As you can see, this one over here has an overall, like all your all the area of the hoodie will be available for design, but this one is only for the front page or like the front side of the hoodie. And the design is completely up to you if you want overall or like just the front part. So for me, let's try going and creating just a front part for now. For now, we're going to go with the bestseller. The bestseller means this is the product that the people who use Printify buys the most. This is what they sell the most. So over here, this is your product. You will be able to see information like what type of product it is, the sizes, the tearaway label, the material over here. You can also click on read more, and you will be able to see like key features. You have spacious pockets without side seams, drawstring hood, and the material again once over here. Like you have your care instructions, size guide, and all of those stuff. And over here, you have your different print providers. Now each print providers has different shipping costs like price, shipping cost, average production time, print areas, and sizes over here. We also have different colors available, so be careful when choosing your print providers. Look for the one that fits your needs or fits your budget. And for now, we're simply going to go with the first one, Duplume, and click on Start Designing. By clicking on Start Designing, you will be redirected to this page over here. And as you can see, this is our like mockup over here where we can put our design in the middle. You could also add designs to the back, as you can see here. And you could add designs from your devices, or you could add some custom text. You could add from Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Fiverr over here. You could also check out your library if ever you already have added designs to your library over here. You have your templates, and you can also use the graphics section over here to add different elements into your hoodie design over here. There's a lot of elements over here, but personally, I would like to use Canva instead because Canva is an amazing platform that offers a lot of different features and different elements to start building an amazing design. So, okay, our design over here is a hoodie. So let's simply search in hoodie in the search bar. Hoodie, just like that. Also keep in mind, it is absolutely free to use Canva. There is no payment required. There is some subscription, which would unlock some other features, but even if you use the free version, you will still be able to create amazing design. So simply select the hoodie template and you will be able to see like random hoodie designs over here, hoodie templates. As you can see, if ever you would like to copy one of this, you can simply copy it if you want. But for us right now, I'm not going to do that. So we're going to click on create blank. So we could start absolutely from scratch. And as you can see, this is our canvas over here. This is where we are going to create our output. Now on Canva, you have your elements, uploads, text. These are the three main components that you are going to be using. For the elements, this is where you get your different items to add into your design over here. You could also upload photos if you want, and you could use text to add some text with different font style, as you can see here. Now let's go and create our design. We're going to go with a very simple one. Let's go and say we would like to create a design out of a sports bike. So let's say sports bike. Click on enter, and let's see if we will be able to see different graphics over here. Okay, we have this one. You could put it in the middle over here, and then let's see what can we add to our sports bike over here. And let's say we could add this one. This is just a minimalist style over here. Turn this into black. Let's see if we will be able to make it a very good design together with this one. Let's change it to something else. Let's go and search for messy lines. Let's see. We have this messy lines over here. I'm going to go with a minimalist output. So I'm going to keep short searching. And as you can see, you can simply search any type of topic that you want. And it's going to show you any related graphic to the topic that you're trying to use. So let's say once again, minimalist lines, just like that. Click on see all for the graphics, and let's see different outputs over here that we could use to make our design over here better, or like add some elements to our design. I'm not really seeing something that I like, so let's go and search for something else. So what can be a good partner for our sports bike design over here? Let's try and search street light. Gonna enter, and we have our output over here. We could choose one of this, for example this one. Okay, put it over here, put it on top over here, adjust our design over here for a bit, just like that. And let's see what can we add to our output over here. I've got our design over here, our light. Let's change our background color to black to simulate a dark light. Or let's change this to something else. Let's say light. And we have this one. Just like that. Put it over here in the middle. Could make this smaller. Just like that. The way you present your design is completely up to you. I'm just trying to use random elements to try and build our output over here. It's not going to be the best. I'm not the greatest at creating a t-shirt design, but I'm going to try and make it as good as possible. Like that. Just like that. Now, if you're not satisfied with the design that you create, you can simply go back to the designs over here, and you can check out the different types of template that you see over here and the side, and then you can simply copy them if you would like as well. For example, this one, you could copy this and it will automatically be added to your section over here. Then to download your image, you simply click on share, download, and simply click on download over here. You could turn it into a transparent background if you want. Click on download, and you will be able to download your photo over here. Now going back here to Printful or Printify, simply drag your photo that you have downloaded over here, and you will be able to see, or wait for it to upload. And as you can see, this is our design over here. You can click on preview, and you can see some different mockups for your design. As you can see here, you have your models over here. I'm going to give it some time to load, and models over here. You could download this mockup as well if you click on this button over here, which would allow you to download this specific photo. Now after that, you're simply going to click on Save Product. Then you will be redirected to this page where you can edit more details like the title page right here, like the title of your product, description of your product, the different price and variants over here. Like you can select them and then change the pricing depending on how you would like it to be. And then you can simply connect your store over here by simply clicking on Connect a Store. And you could connect your Etsy store over here by simply clicking on the Etsy option over here, or as you can see, this one over here. Connect to Etsy, and all you need to do is to log into your Etsy account, and you will be able to connect both your Printify and Etsy together. And your product that you have just created in Printify will automatically be added to your Etsy with your instruction. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.